Hello everyone. So let us continue the problems of exercise 1.1. So already we have seen four questions in the last class. So let us continue the next question. Okay. So question number 4. Show that the relation R in R. This is a relation R. This is a set R. Set of real numbers defined as R is equal to the A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not a symmetric. So we have to show that this relation is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Okay. So let us consider solution, and this question is asked in the 2017 annual examination for 3 marks. Okay. So given set is set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Okay. So in this you will get all positive, negatives, p by q form numbers, rationals, irrationals, and okay, set of real numbers, and the relation is relation R. So dear students, let us notice the difference. Notice the difference between this R and this R. This R is the relation. This is the set of real numbers. Is equal to the A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B. Okay, first one reflexive relation. So let us consider any number. Let for all A belongs to the set of real numbers. Real number. I am mentioning here set because both notations are very similar. ಇದು set of real numbers ಇದೆ and ಇದು relation R. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ notation ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು similar ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so I am mentioned here set of real numbers R in bracket. Okay, A belongs to the set of real numbers. Now A comma A reflexive can check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು A comma A. This implies, so if I put in the relation ನ put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ A is less than or equal to B ಅಲ್ಲ A comma A ಇರುತ್ತದೆ A is less than or equal to A. Is it right? ಹೌದು. So A is equal to the A itself. So ಏನದ A less than or ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ equal ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. So A is equal to the A. Therefore A belongs to the A comma A belongs to the relation R. Therefore R is reflexive. So every number is equal to itself. ಯಾವ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ set of real numbers like ಅದು itself equal ಇರ್ತದ. It is equal to itself only. Therefore A comma A belongs to the R. Now symmetric, not a symmetric andara. So for this hing andara, let us give an example that doesn't satisfy the symmetric relation. That is not a symmetric, that doesn't satisfy the given relation. Okay, so I will consider two numbers. First we have to consider first n numbers consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತವೆ belongs to R ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, let 2 comma 3 belongs to the set of real numbers. 2 comma 3 belongs to the set of real numbers. Then 2 comma 3 belongs to the R. Let us see how it is belongs to the R. 2 comma 3 belongs to the R means 2 is less than or equal to 3. The relation is A is less than or equal to B. 2 is less than or equal to 3. This implies obviously 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Therefore 2 comma 3 belongs to the R. Now check it reverse. Now 3 comma 2. What about 3 comma 2? So ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಯ್ತು, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. 3 is less than or equal to 2. 3 ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore it is not less than or equal to 2. Not less than or equal to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 comma 2 doesn't belongs to the R. 2 comma 3 belongs to the R, but 3 comma 2 doesn't belongs to the R. It means R is not symmetric relation. R is not symmetric relation, right? Next is transitive. So check the transitive relation. Transitive. Okay. So let consider three numbers 2, 3 and 4. I will consider 2, 3, 4 belongs to the set of real numbers. 2, 3, 4 belongs to the set of real numbers. Then 2, comma 3 belongs to the R because 2 is less than or equal to 3. 2 is less than 3, and 3, comma 4. 3, comma 4 belongs to the R. This implies 3 is less than or equal to the 4. So now ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು 2, comma 4. 2, comma 4 belongs to R ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay, 2, comma 4 consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. This implies put 2 and 4 in the relation A is less than or equal to B. 2 is less than or equal to 4, right? 2 is obviously less than 4. 2 ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್. Therefore 2, comma 4 belongs to the R. So we can write for all A, B and C belongs to the set of real numbers. A, comma B belongs to the R and B, comma C belongs to the R. Then A, comma C belongs to the R. Therefore R is transitive. R is transitive relation. So this is the question. See, so they ask to prove that it is a reflexive, not a symmetric, and transitive, and this is proof. We have proved. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Show that the relation R in R, same as the previous. This R is a relation, and this is a set of real numbers defined by R is equal to the A, comma B, such that A is less than or equal to B square, is neither reflexive nor symmetric, not transitive. So we have to show that this is not reflexive, not symmetric, and not a transitive. Okay, so set another set of real numbers. Solution. So previous question ಏನಿತ್ತು? A is less than or equal to B. So ಇದು A is less than or equal to B square. So just a small difference. Okay, set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Okay, then the relation R is equal to the A, comma B, such that A is less than or equal to B square. A is less than or equal to B square. So let us take a reflexive. Check the reflexive relation. So nodri reflexive relation check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Consider any number. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ. So ವಾಪಸ್ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ A, A ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ let this set directly question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ? neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ examples consider ಮಾಡೋಣ directly. Let 1/2 belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, now check 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R or not. 1/2 comma 1/2 order fair. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1/2 A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2 ನೇ, B ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2 ನೇ. 1/2 square 1/2 square 1/2 less than or equal to 1/2 square is 1/4. 1/2 is 0.5. 1/4 is 0.25, right? Therefore 1/2 is not less than or equal to, not less than or equal to 1 by 4. 0.5 is bigger than the 0.25, therefore it is not a smaller number. Therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 doesn't belongs to the R. So you can conclude that R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Next, check the symmetric. Symmetric relation. Let us consider two numbers. So symmetric consider आಗುತ್ತೆ a comma b belongs to R ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Okay, let 1 comma 4 belongs to the set of real numbers. 1 and 4 set of real numbers ಏನು ಎರಡು numbers 3. So 1 comma 4 belongs to the R because ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 is less than or equal to 4 square, right? 1 is less than 16. 4 square is 16. So obvious 1 comma 4 belongs to the R. Check the reverse. 4 comma 1 belongs to R or not. 4 comma 1 is equal to B. Okay, so put in the relation A is less than or equal to B square. 4 is less than or equal to 1 square. 4 is less than or equal to 1, so it is not possible. 4 is not less than or equal to 1. Therefore 4 comma 1 doesn't belongs to the R. 4 comma 1 doesn't belongs to the set of this relation. Okay, next, therefore we can say here that R is not symmetric relation. R is not a symmetric relation. So let's check the transitive relation. Transitive. Consider numbers. So let 3, 2 and 1.5 belongs to the R. I am considering three numbers. In that, first two numbers order pair and the next two numbers order pair should belongs to the R. Then we can check for the first and last number order pair. Okay, so 3 comma 2 belongs to the R. Basically, see how it belongs to the R. Nodri relation of put ಮಾಡಿ 3 is less than or equal to 2 square, right? 3 is less than 2 square is 4. Okay, next 2 comma 1.5 belongs to the R. How note check ಮಾಡೋದು. 2 is less than or equal to 1.5 square. 1.5 square. 2 is less than 1.5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? 2.25. Like 15 square 225, just substitute digits. 2.25. So next, now ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ 3 1.5. 3 comma 1.5 implies first we have to check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ belongs to ಆಗುತ್ತಾ not belongs to ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. 3 less than or equal to the 1.5 square. 3 less than or equal to 1.5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.25. See, 3 is bigger than 2.25, therefore it is not a less than. So 3 is not less than 2.25. Therefore 3 comma 1.5 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore R is not transitive relation. R is not a transitive relation. So thus we have proved improvement number. R is not a reflexive, R is not a symmetric, and R is not a transitive. So directly if they are mentioned true like this means, so let us take examples, direct numbers. Okay, then put in the relation and show that the results. Okay. Okay, next question. Check whether the relation R in R of real numbers defined by R is equal to the A comma B such that A is less than or equal to BQ. So last problem is less than or equal to b square. In that first problem is a comma a is less than or equal to b. So is we have to show that this a is less than or equal to b cube is whether it is a reflexive, symmetric or transitive. You have to check whether this relation is reflective, symmetric or transitive. Okay. So if they given problems like this, so let us check this by taking a particular numbers from the set of real numbers. So because it is asked in the 2019 annual examination, that is 2019 March for 3 marks. Okay. So let us consider R is set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Then relation R is order pair A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B cube. We can denote this such that symbol by like this also, by line. Okay. Now reflexive. See, let us consider a number. I will consider same as the previous, like 1 by 2 belongs to the set of real numbers. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Check whether it is belongs to the relation R or not. So relation is 1 by 2 less than or is equal to the 1 by 2 cube. Right? 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 cube is 8. So what is the value of 1 by 8? Okay, 1 by 8 is 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. It is 0.125. Okay, see 0.5 is bigger than the 0.125. So hangidre enagutri 1 by 2 is not less than 0.25, 0.125. Therefore 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 8. So hangidre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? Therefore 1 by 2, therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 doesn't belongs to the R, and R is not reflexive. So R is not reflexive. Okay, next is check symmetric relation. Symmetric. So first we have to consider two numbers. Their order pair should belongs to the R. Okay, for that I will consider 1 comma 2 belongs to the set of real numbers. This order pair nodi 1 comma 2 belongs to R agutilla. Put in the relation 1 less than or equal to 2 cube. Howda? So hangidre 1 is less than or equal to 8. 2 cube is 8. So 1 comma 2 belongs to the R. But 2 comma 1, what about 2 comma 1? Reverse check ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 comma 1 implies, put in the relation 2 comma 1. 2 as a A, 1 as a B. 2 less than or equal to 1 cube. 2 is less than 1. 1 cube is 1. So it is not possible. 2 is not less than 1. Therefore 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore R is not transitive. Sorry, R is not symmetric. R is not a symmetric relation. Next is transitive relation. Transitive. Okay. Let us consider three numbers. First two numbers consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅವು ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ relation belongs ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So let us consider 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, first check the two order pairs, otherwise we can change numbers. 3 by 2 belongs to the R. How it is belongs to the R? Check it. 3 less than or equal to 3 by 2 cube whole cube. Okay, what is the relation? A is less than or equal to B cube. A is A is less than or equal to B cube. 3 less than or equal to 3 cube is 27 divided by 2 cube is 8. Okay, 3 is less than or equal to 27 by 8 is approximately 3.375. So obviously 3.3 is there, it is only 3, it is bigger than the 3, therefore 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to the R. Okay, next 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5. Next is 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5. 6 by 5 belongs to the R. How it is belongs to the R? Check once. 3 by 2 less than or equal to 6 by 5 whole cube. Okay, A is less than or equal to B cube. 3 by 2 is, write 3 by 2 less than or equal to 6 cube is 216. Okay, 6 are 36, 6 are 260 divided by 5 cube is 125. Okay, 3 by 2 is 1.5. It is less than or equal to 216 divided by 125. Obviously it is 1.728. So its value is 216 divided by 125 is 1.728. So 1.5 is less than 1.7. Therefore 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belongs to the R. Now we have to check order pair of first and last element. First element is 3 comma 6 by 5. 3 comma 6 by 5 belongs to R or not. So putting the relation, 3 is less than or equal to 6 by 5 whole cube, right? So 6 by 5 whole cube is 1.728. 3 is less than 1.728. No, 3 is not less than 1.728. Therefore 3 comma 6 by 5 doesn't belongs to the R. So we can say that R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So they said check whether it is a reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So I have taken some particular examples and prove that it is not a reflexive, not a symmetric and not a transitive. So dear students, it's a very important example for the 3 marks in your annual examination. Okay, so I will continue the remaining problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.